shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Cameron, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whispers for September 3rd, 2020. Wow, that SPY was a beast yesterday. Definitely hit all our targets and more some. Looks like it might want to retrace back down to that 4 EMA, and you can see every time it's gone far away from it, it's come back to it. So today we're going to be bullish above 357.75, and we're going to be bearish below 356 for the SPY for retracement. Let's head on over to the E-minis. The E-minis as well, very similar picture. We're going to be bullish above 35.78 and bear below 35.60 for a possible retracement there. All right, the Russell, we're going to be bullish above 159 today and bear below 157.50. We had a pretty big dark pull level at 157.80, so let's watch and see if we test that today. Let's head on over to the Qs, which were definitely the weakest index yesterday. Looks like it formed a hangman, the hanging man on the daily chart yesterday. We'll get confirmation today if we have a weak candle, if indeed that is a hanging man. We're going to be bullish above 302.50. That would be bullish, and bear below 298 for the NASDAQ. Let's go to the NASDAQ futures. NASDAQ futures, we are going to be bullish above 12,350. and bear below 12,225. All right, crude oil. So do we have that dreaded H pattern? Yeah, it looks like it wants to roll over here. Remember, I shared with you that dreaded H. Are we going to roll over? You got the dark pool insights. The major levels we're watching is 45 to the upside and 40 to the downside. So if we go below 40, look out below for the oil futures. That's going to be a key level to watch. But today, for day trading purposes, we're going to be bullish above 41.50 and bear below 40.75. Let's head on over to the gold futures. And we are only going to be bullish above 1940 for gold. Looks like we are testing that right now for a retracement trade to the person's pivot, or we're going to be bearish below 1930 for the gold futures. All right, let's go to the individual stocks. Apple. Yeah, Apple did a beautiful retracement, by the way. Yeah, beautiful retracement right down to the 8 EMA on the daily chart, and you can see it bounced off, and we're testing it once again. Second time around, less buyers. So we're going to be bearish below that 128 level. There's room to go down to that 15 exponential moving average, that blue line on my daily chart. You should definitely put that on your chart if you don't have it. The 15 EMA on your daily. I like it on the 5-minute for the trend trade, and I like it on the daily as well. We will be bullish above 132.50. Right, I also did spot a buyer at 128 on the iNet. Let's see if he's still there. Nope, he's not there anymore. He disappeared. He was spoofing this morning. Yeah, they do that. There's a little guy on ARCA, but no, there was a bigger guy. And they move it down. They pretend they're buying. So it's really important to learn how to spot that. Let's go to the next one, banks. Banks are strong this morning. Perhaps the money flow is going into the financials, out of the tech and into financials. Well, we certainly got a big whopping print on BAC yesterday. 2.7 million, 25.90. We could be splashing. Like to give it a couple of days. Don't trade these prints when they first come in. Wait a day or two. We're going to be bullish above 26.40 and bear if it goes below the print, 25.80 for BAC. Let's go to Momo. The Momo got hit this morning. We are going to be bullish above 1850 for a retracement trade back up to resistance. Bear below 1780. Let's head on over to Intel. That was a huge winner yesterday, finally starting to move. The big question is this going to be a gap fake out where they pull it up to the strongest level before the gap, pull it down, which would kind of form that cup and handle, the handle part of the cup, and then push it up through the gap? Or are they just going to push it? Massive, massive prints are below us, so let's see what happens. But we're going to be bullish above 52.25, bear below 51.80 for Intel for a retracement trade. That would be like the handle part of the trade, perhaps. So let's go to Microsoft. All right, Microsoft, we are going to be bullish above 231.25 today and bear below 228. All right, let's go to silver. Silver's pulling back. Looks like it wants to test those big dark pull levels we got recently at 24.94 and 24.64. Those are really key to watch. If we close below those, look out below for silver. However, we are going to be bullish above 25.50 if it does pull back up into that wedge. Let's go to GLD. GLD, we're going to be bullish above 182 and bear below 181. AMD is our last whisper, and we're going to be bullish above 90. We did have a big print at 90.90. We might go up and test that. However, we're going to be bearish below 88. We've tested that a couple times. If it can't hold, yeah, it looks like we will go down. Possibly retest that 86.29 dark pool level. That was a big one, 1 million. That was in the Dark Pool Insights. We had a great trade to the upside, but is that the splash? We'll see. If we do close below that, look out below for AMD. There you have it. Those are your whispers for September 3rd. Until next time, happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.